Today I visit one apartment for sale in Nakano City, Tokyo, and the floor size is about 40 square meters. It's built in 1969, and it will sell at 3,499 yen. The room is very nice. This is the best room, and we also have a closet here. The bathroom and washing area in the opposite side. This is the bathroom overall. Toilet. It's very near to walk to the station, Shinagano station. Just 2 minutes on foot. And this is the balcony. It's very small, but it's enough for 1 or 2 person here. The price the pizza room is very good. Today Tokyo is sunny days. This door. Very nice. All the equipment in this apartment is new one. It's very good and convenient area for live. Okay. If you have any questions or any inquiries about the estate in Tokyo, Japan, just contact me. I will help you. So now I will turn off the electric and go out. Let's close the window. The window close already. It's turned off electric already. So now is outside. Okay. there is an elevator here, but I think I will take a stair.